Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Put the fucking knife down!
Oh, thank God. Oh.
HQ 607 is normal.
HQ 255, shots fired. Got one down, start rescue.
1020. 128 to the 20. 10-4. 607 on Frankie Feliciano.
He kept asking me why I raped him. I never met the man before a week. Oh, man. I didn't want to see him die. But
607, anybody close to him yet?
he was about to slit my throat.
Alpha 255, don't drive too fast. We got Whiskey Mike down. 3 gunshots to the head.
Sector 20, sir.
Oh, he's gone. He had some serious mental issues. He ain't been on his meds. They're trying to get him going on his meds, but he won't.
620.
Alpha 255, we are at State and Madison. We are just east of BP on State Street. Unit on State, turn around. Alright, sir, go ahead and back up for me. You guys go ahead and get over here for me. I need you to get away from him. Are you okay? Are you guys okay? Did he actually stab you?
No, he had the knife to my throat.
Okay.
I'm sleeping. He raked it down my face and then he put it to my throat and told me I had 3
I am
seconds
east of the
to live.
BP on State.
It's done. He's done. I didn't even try to help him.
Bravo,
I didn't want
47.
to see him die.
You want to start shutting down State Street?
Yeah, man. Officer did right. You're on my back. Quit moving
I'm
back.
164, 297.
Sorry. I'm trying to get away from stuff.
I need a unit east of me blocking westbound traffic on State Street.
Get off of your back.
Alpha 261, 212, Alpha 255.
There's no helping now.
You okay?
Yeah.
297.